we had like a rainy storm last night. Just fucking came out to go work on, in this video, we're gonna fucking do, my, passenger side, wheel bearing. And, yeah, Paul's fucking garage collapsed again. This time, it fucked up the Conquest because it fell. And as you can tell, it fucking cracked the fucking windshield. Why the fuck is this door locked? Okay. I guess I can't show you, but yeah, it's fucking cracked, so that fucking sucks mega dick. But I'm gonna try and get the, because it's filled with fucking water, so I'm gonna try and get the water out, so. That really sucks. But, in this video, we're gonna get the fucking wheel bearing done. So, and I don't have any money, so we're gonna use a used one that I have laying around, so let's do that. Alright, so I tried this one here. I took off the caliper and then the fucking rotor, but it doesn't sound very healthy. I'm not about to fucking go through this process for just sound like shit. So I know that this one, yeah, this one sounds a lot better. That's just the fucking brakes, so what I'm gonna do is I'll pull that off and we'll just drop it on the ground. Send it. I mean, this has got to get scrapped anyhow, so why not use another part off of it? But, yeah. So, let's get this thing off. Pretty much the only thing you really gotta do is, well, the axle nuts are already out, so that's good. And then, so the only thing we really gotta do is take off the caliper. And then take off the rotor, and then it's just 3 bolts, and then take it off. As long as it comes out, no problem. And in worst case scenario, I have to use, we got a slide hammer, Paul bought a slide hammer, so maybe I'll get to use that. Hopefully not. Hopefully it just comes out. But, yeah, let's get to it. Well, I don't think I'm gonna actually go through the trouble of pulling this because it wiggles. I know when they're new they won't, but I just really don't want to fucking change it out just to have to change it out again. So it looks like we're not gonna get the cheap out on this one, and it also looks like this is not what we're gonna be doing today. So give me a second, we'll figure out what the fuck we're gonna do in this video then. We're going back to the hood. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just pretty much get all of this down. Yeah, we'll just knock it down and then Bondo, and then probably just try and get a rough paint job on it just to cover up the Bondo, so that way, because Bondo you don't want to get wet. So, but yeah, that's the plan. Let's do this. Hopefully I don't run out of Bondo. So, but, yeah. It's seeming like not a good day. But, yep. Let's do this. Okay. Alright, so we got a couple layers on there. I think we did 2 layers total. Maybe more. I think maybe 3. But, yeah. Getting close. Just got to do this one more time. Then, I might just do a little spot putty. And we'll lay down some, just put down some paint over it. Just to get the Bondo covered up. So that way, you just got to keep the water away from it, so. But, yeah, slowly but surely, making progress. Bing. But yeah, I'm fucking excited. This thing looks pretty sweet. Can't wait to see it. It's we're ended up painting the whole hood black. For now. Not sure what the end goal will be for a color, but yeah. That's where we're at. We'll continue on here. Get this sanded and get it painted. Alright, well, here we are. Pretty much prep. I'm not gonna do spot putty. We're just gonna get it in paint. And then if there's really bad spots, then we'll spot putty it and then repaint. But just kinda trying to get it together. So let's get some paint on it. There it is. Boom. Oh, this is how you get the fucking water out. A water pet or a fuel pump, a little LiPo battery. Nothing sketchy about playing with LiPos.
Right next to water.
Yeah. Nothing could go wrong.
How are those plugins not touching? They're like right next to each other.
That'd be really shitty if they touched.
Yeah,
This thing would explode.
Uh oh. Now we've got a problem. No!
It's got so much power, it's sucking right to the thing. But yeah, this is how we do it. And boom, done. Look at that. Had a little fun with the paint scheme. It's not permanent. The whole hood will get painted black, so. Unless I do choose to, I could paint like put a line here, and then paint all of this white, because 87 or 97-cent rattle cans are the same exact white as this, so. But we'll see. Might just do black hood, because black's easy to paint. But yeah, let's get it down, and then we'll see what it looks like. G-dang, here it is. Boom. Yep, looks real good. Basically what I was asking for. But yeah, that's probably gonna be it for this one. We got it pretty much paint. Well, it's not really done for paint. Gonna wait for a better day. It's a little humid today, so. But we got this on there, and then we'll end up just giving it all a sanding. And but yeah, and then we still got a fiberglass that piece of metal to the bottom there. And like just right around the bottom here, so that way I don't have to keep these suckers in there. And then should be good to go. Get excited. I'm excited. It's gonna be sweet. But yeah, see you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe.